Every relationship begins beautifully, full of laughter, care, and hope. But love doesn't stay effortless forever. Relationships rarely break from one big mistake. They fade slowly, through silence, neglect, and words left unspoken. Love doesn't die suddenly, it fades when both hearts stop trying. Number 1. The weight of constant criticism. Love can't breathe where judgment lives. When your partner always feels corrected or compared, they begin to shrink inside. Every harsh word takes away a little bit of peace. Criticism doesn't build, it breaks. It turns affection into anxiety. You start holding back words, hiding feelings, avoiding honesty just to keep the peace. And one day, the warmth that once filled the room turns into silence. Love grows through kindness, not through control. The more you criticize, the less your partner feels safe to be real. Number 2. When silence replaces communication. Silence can be peaceful, but it can also be deadly. At first, it feels like calm, no fights, no drama. But over time, silence becomes distance. You stop sharing your thoughts, your laughter, your dreams. You live beside each other, but your hearts drift further apart. Real love needs honest communication. Not constant talking, but real talking where both feel safe to speak and be heard. Because once communication fades, assumptions grow. And when you stop understanding each other, love starts to fade into confusion. Number 3. When appreciation disappears. Love doesn't die when passion fades, it dies when gratitude does. When you stop noticing the little things the way they care, the effort they give you make them feel invisible. At the start, you thank them for every small gesture. But as time passes, you start expecting those things. You forget that appreciation is fuel. Without it, love runs empty. People don't leave because they stop loving, they leave because they feel unseen. Sometimes, a simple thank you can save what pride would destroy. Number 4. The poison of dishonesty. Trust is fragile. Once it cracks, it never feels the same again. Lies, even small ones, plant doubt in the heart. You start wondering what's true, what's not, and who you are really with. Lies steal peace. They turn comfort into anxiety. When someone hides the truth, they take away safety. And love cannot survive in fear. The truth might hurt, but lies destroy. Honesty is not about perfection, it's about respect. If there's no truth, there's no love. Number 5. When jealousy becomes control. Love should make you feel free, not trapped. But when jealousy turns into control, checking messages, questioning friends, doubting intentions, it suffocates. Jealousy is fear disguised as love. It says I care but really means I don't trust you, and when trust disappears, love starts to rot from the inside. The strongest relationships are built on freedom and confidence, not control. You can't hold on to someone by caging them, only by trusting they'll stay. Number 6. When effort slowly fades. Love doesn't vanish, people just stop nurturing it. They stop asking how your day was, stop noticing your mood, stop doing the small things that once made you smile. The truth is, relationships are built daily. You can't expect love to stay if you never feed it. When one person stops trying, the other starts feeling alone, even in the same room. Love doesn't need grand gestures. It needs effort, small, daily reminders that say, I still care. Number 7. The damage of disrespect. Disrespect doesn't always shout, sometimes it whispers. It's the sarcasm, the eye rolls, the words said without care. But every small act of disrespect takes away something love needs to survive. Respect is love's foundation. You can't build closeness without it. Even during disagreement, kindness should stay. Without respect, love loses its softness and turns cold. You can rebuild almost anything in a relationship except trust that's been shattered by constant disrespect. Number 8. The absence of forgiveness. Every love story has pain, but forgiveness is what turns pain into growth. Without it, resentment fills the space where love used to live. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting, it's about freeing yourself from bitterness. When you let go, you make room for peace to return. No relationship can survive without grace. Holding on to anger keeps both hearts chained to the past. Forgiveness doesn't make you weak, it proves your love is stronger than your pride. Every relationship faces storms, arguments, silence, distance. But what keeps love alive isn't luck, it's choice. The choice to listen, to stay, to keep trying. Love isn't perfect, it's patient. It's the decision to choose the same person again even after the hard days. Because real love isn't found, it's built, one small act of care at a time.